guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do a quick virus scan on your PC. The first thing you have to do is click Windows R and you write MRT in the search bar. When you do that, click yes. This pops up, click next, and then you can just do a quick scan and you wait for it to scan. And as you can see here, it says here that after this operation completes, the tool will provide you with a report of the malicious software that was detected and removed. And it also says the tool is scanning your computer for prevalent malicious software and removing any that is found. And as you can see, we have already scanned 2,500 files. Just a quick note, this can actually in some cases take quite a bit of time to do, so be ready for that. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next tech tip.